Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the daily chart of gold. Now gold is bullish and gold has retested this level. Where is that level? This level, this day, not this bullish day, this bearish day, this above this wick. Gold has retested this as this was broken here. Now gold has three resistance nearby. After this, gold has 1727.66. This is the resistance at here, wick of this day, and this is also resistance wick of this day. These both are in one is 1727, other is at 1722. So gold has three resistances. Either the resistance we don't have resistance here actually. We can say we can have resistance here also. But okay, the gold is bullish, and the first confirmation of bullishness is that the day be closed in bullish, whether it is small day, small candle or big candle. But first confirmation is that it must be closed as bullish day. So it looks that it is bullish and it is expected. Now this is no more a level. This is broken already. This is broken and this has been retested. This has been retested. This resistance has been used as support. This resistance has been used as support. This resistance has been retested, that was broken, and now the gold has two resistances now, 1784.83, whether weak or strong, but now this is a resistance, and second resistance is at 1807.14. Now this is the resistance, and I wanted to update you regarding gold. So please like this video, subscribe my channel, and share this video with others, and let me know in the comments what do you think of my analysis, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.